Hi guys, today is the Fantastic Four VeVe Drop. I'm going to be furiously tapping right here when it gets to about 5 seconds. This is the blind box, so here we go. Let's go, start tapping. Start tapping, start tapping. Buy it now, come on. And let's see if I got one. Looks like I did. This is the Fantastic Four Invisible Woman VeVe Drop. Come on. It's pending. Hopefully you guys watching this got it as well. I put up a video last night of what my strategy was going to be, so I hope that helped everybody. Still, no, 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 no. Okay, I'm going to keep pressing buy it now. I got it. Look, look, I got it. Yes, guys, I hope you guys got it at home as well. Looks like my boyfriend is having, oh, you got it. What did you get? You got a common. Look, you got a common. Good job. Good job. I don't know what I got. It just says pending delivery. And I will update you guys with what I get later. Okay, bye.